I will be evaluating Lloyd's speech, and it will be my opinion about what I liked about it and what maybe he could improve. Lloyd has given lots of speeches, and he won lots of contests, and his speaking to inform is one of their strong points. The demonstration talk. How does the speaker make the talk relevant to the audience's interest? This is very interesting because you've noticed that there's a lot of people in our county that have trouble with those transition words like and so. And you gave us a little demonstration of how we can get better with that. So it was totally relevant. Describe the demonstration's impact on you. It gave me some good ideas. There's probably too much information. I applaud you for trying to get it in there in the time frame. It gave me a couple of things that I could work with, but it also told me that there's a lot more that I can learn about it. And actually it's something I probably should know more about, just because of Toastmasters and because of the unclearness of how it should be used. How appropriate was the choice of demonstration method? It was good. You used a chart, and it was a flip chart, so you could go back and forth easily. You also had it color-coded. It was very legible, and the writing was big so we could see it, and that oftentimes has been a problem here during those speeches. Was each part of the demonstration clearly explained? Yes. What could the speaker have done to make the demonstration more effective? I wrote down, push the podium back, and then about that time you pushed it back because you looked uncomfortable there. In this setting, and the U-shape, especially when somebody's at a chart or at a whiteboard, it's hard to get everybody included, but you did a good job of it. And also during part of it, you asked if these people on the right could see, so I appreciate that. What was the most effective part of the demonstration? You always have a great sense of humor and a great use of humor, and I appreciated that. Especially when you're talking about English. The rules were described, and there's an analogy to laws, and then you muted that by saying that they really were preferences, and that it had evolved, and so that was a good way to set it up. In closing, I appreciated you trying to get to the bottom of these of the use of conjunctions and how we do that. Even though it was a tough thing to do in the time frame, you did an admirable job of it. Thank you.